Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to change your Microsoft Teams password. It is a very simple procedure that should take no more than 5 minutes, and I will be leading you through every single step to ensure you can update your security settings without any trouble. First, you need to visit the Microsoft Teams website. Once the page loads, find the Sign In button and click it. This is your gateway to all Microsoft services, so make sure you use the account tied to your specific Teams profile. If you are already signed in, you are already ahead of the game. After logging in, move your attention to the top right corner of the Teams screen. You will find your profile picture there, or if you haven't added one, look for a circle with your initials. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu containing several account options. From this list, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you out of the Teams app and into the main Microsoft Account dashboard, which controls every service connected to your account. This dashboard is the central hub for all your account management needs. Now that you are on the dashboard, locate the Account option and click it. This section handles everything from personal info to subscription data. Since security is vital, changing your password here is very direct. Navigate to the upper right area of the Account section and click on Change Password. It is a necessary step to keep your data safe, so it is important to use a strong, unique password and change it every so often. Once you click that button, you will be asked to enter your current password for verification. This proves your identity before making sensitive changes. Next, type your new password twice, once to set it and a second time to confirm it. This double entry is crucial to avoid any mistakes. Finally, just click Save to apply the update. Your Microsoft Teams password is now successfully changed. Remember, this update affects all Microsoft platforms using this account, so use the new password for all future logins. Using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols will help keep your online presence secure. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools and services.